Okay, got a Mary Chef E2S here. I'm gonna go in here. It's got a e116, which is a heater fail. You just go into visual mode. See this right here? This is your blower. Your blower has to work in order for your heaters to turn on. So you test that. Your problem is more than likely your SRB control board. You can also do a check on your heater. Basically, you just pull the top wire off your heating element and check for voltage there. If you have 120, you know your SRB board is failing. This is for E116 error code.